Lazars never work.
How Zappos is helping me out with this box break. So we're gonna
box break. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Ah! Yes!
pretty awesome. Look at this. Carry on luggage.
Ooh, 2 presents. Little bling. Mommy got a little Betsy Johnson bling.
Hilma! My bag has never looked this hot. There you have it.
Yay.
And there's a pair of sunglasses that I've wanted for a really long time. And I don't know why I haven't gotten them for myself. But I haven't. Until now.
So I ordered a Timbuktu backpack. It's Wii games!
Lots of paper.